Pollution is among the biggest challenges that China faces, and to counter that, it has commissioned its super powerful nuclear fusion reactor research facility called HL-2M Tokamak. Given that it operates at a temperature 10 times more than the sun, it has been dubbed China's artificial sun. The artificial sun is China's new generation and most advanced nuclear fusion reactor that was powered for the first time on Friday. China is one of the world's largest economies and is heavily reliant on industries, making it the world's largest contributor to carbon dioxide emissions. In 2018, the country produced 0.06 billion metric tons of the greenhouse gas, according to a global carbon project data released in October this year. To significantly decrease its carbon emissions, the country is relying on this nuclear reactor to produce limitless clean energy. The tokamak operates at 150 million degrees Celsius and uses the nuclear fusion process just as in the sun, and this method is considered the holy grail of energy. HL-2M is China's largest artificial sun with the best parameter, Zhu Min, director of the institute, told Xinhua news agency. The sun produces energy using hydrogen and deuterium gases as fuels through the fusion process. In nuclear fusion, atomic nuclei are merged or fused to create massive amounts of energy. The amount of fusion energy a reactor is able to produce is directly proportional to the number of fusion reactions taking place in its core. The larger the vessel, the more is the potential to produce fusion energy as the volume of plasma is large. The ITER tokamak is designed to produce 500 MW of fusion power from 50 MW of input heating power. The new facility has a confinement time of up to 10 seconds. HL-2M tokamak has 3 times the plasma volume and 6 times the plasma current intensity compared to previous version called HL-2A. China's state media, the People's Daily, calls the development of nuclear fusion energy a means to meet the country's energy needs. People's Daily also wrote that it had great significance for the future sustainable development of China's energy and national economy. China plans to build an experimental as early as 2021, build an industrial prototype by 2035, and begin large scale commercial use by 2050. Nuclear fusion is preferred to nuclear fission, in which atoms are split into two or more smaller nuclei. The benefit of using fusion is it does not create radioactive waste and poses less risk of accidents or the theft of atomic material. The limitation of fusion technology is it is difficult to achieve and enormously expensive. The total cost of International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor ITER is estimated to be $22.5 billion. The ITER being built in southern France is designed also to operate at up to 150 million degrees Celsius. China, the European Union, India, Japan, Korea, Russia, and the United States have combined resources to boundless energy that fuels the sun and the stars as members of the ITER.